Mortals, I see you at the crossroads, paralyzed. You look one way, then the other, your mind calculating the risks, terrified of being the only one to choose wrong. The loneliness of a decision, what a heavy burden, isn't it? But what if I told you your decision is rarely born from logic? You don't seek the best path, you seek the most traveled path. This need to belong is the key to all persuasion. And today, I'll teach you to be the conductor of that echo. Imagine an empty square. A single mortal looks up at the sky. No one pays him any mind. He's a fool. Now, imagine 100 people staring at that same sky. Suddenly, a crowd gathers, everyone looking up, desperate to see what the others see. Their action created a truth in an empty sky. That, my friends, is the power of the echo of the crowd. The messenger's golden rule is this: mortals trust a well-worn path more than a perfect map. To convince them, don't just show that your idea is good. Show how many are already following it. Show the expert who approves it. The testimony of one is an opinion. The testimony of 100 is a truth. Your challenge is as swift as my sandals. The next time you want to persuade someone, be quiet. Before you give your reason, say, "Many are already doing this," or "The leading expert in the field recommends." Present the echo first, and only then, if necessary, your voice. Because persuasion is not about shouting louder than everyone else. It's about making your voice sound like the echo of the entire world. The Council of the Gods is watching.